In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Superalloy in the First Descendant. So you can get Superalloy in this game by dismantling weapons. So the way you do this is by pressing escape on your keyboard and going inside your inventory. Then in here, as you can see, you have multiple weapons over here. You simply want to press on one of these weapons, it doesn't really matter which one, and then you'll see you have a bunch of weapons that have been picked up during gameplay, okay? And you should be constantly actually dismantling junk and kindly dismantling these weapons, because after quite some time and after quite some missions, you'll get a bunch of these that you don't need. So what you want to do is simply select something you would like to dismantle. So let's say I want to dismantle this hound, okay? You want to simply hover over it and then press J, so it will kind of mark this up. And then down here it says hold down Ctrl to dismantle junk. So you can either hold down the Ctrl key or just click over here and hold it, okay? So if you press down the Ctrl key, as you can see, it says dismantle junk, dismantled 1 items designated as junk, and junk remaining is now 0, and as you can see, I got 1 liquid metal and 2 superalloy, and that's it. As you can see, it says superalloy is a material used for research. The metal was extracted from Cooper and is hard and light. Now, as you can see, that's it. That's how you get yourself this superalloy. And if I go out here now, you can access it via your inventory. And as you can see, inside your inventory and inside consumables, you now have some superalloy. And that's how you get it. I hope this video helped you out. And if it did, make sure to subscribe to the channel.